Hello my legend modders and welcome to another video, and this time it will be painting video of Panther in 1:76 scale made by Revell. After the grey primer I just start spraying the whole model with a black color from just a spray can because it's much faster for me, and at that time I didn't have with me the classic black primer, so I just used black spray for the fake shadows like always, and don't forget as well on the turret. When the whole model is sprayed in a black primer, I just start spraying with a sand color from Revell light coats, and I used my airbrush, and that is AG100 made by Fengda, and now you can see how the black primer adding the small light shadows, as you can see, and of course few more coats to the full opacity as well. When the basic spraying is done, I just start spraying with a dark Revell color, again from Revell, just the tiny snakes, which I tried this camouflage for the first time, so I hope it will look kinda okay. And of course don't forget on the front panel as well, I used PSI around 20 or maybe 15, and after that I moved to the red brown color, again from Revell. Mostly I use these colors. Of course I have a few of Tamiya colors, but mostly I use from Revell. I just sprayed the whole model with this color, and I must have the airbrush really close to the model to kinda spray the thin lines, but as you can see it was a little bit of a challenge for me, but I made it somehow, and I kinda okay with the result, but I think in the future it will be much better. And the last step before showing the model is gunmetal color on the tip of the gun barrel. After the painting of a gun barrel, we move to the decals. I use decal setter and of course decal software made by WWII. After that I start painting white stripes on the canisters for better look, and I think they use these types of like camouflages. And after this I start paint the wash, and of course I use enamel thinner to clean the excess wash and bring up some details, as you can see right now. Of course don't forget on the small cute turret, and I use, again as you can see, wash made by WWII. Don't forget on the engine bay as well to make it really dirty because it's maintenance, and of course smokes from the engine and exhaust. Cleaning again with enamel thinner. And after all these steps, model is finished, and I used matte varnish to the final result. Thank you, bye bye.